Similar to CSV format, another commonly used tabular data source is Excel spreadsheet files. In this example, I will use an Excel file that is already stored in my local machine. This file is also available in the course repo. In this file, I have two datasets stored in sheet names shortlist and longlist. The short one got a list of 5 countries, while the long one got a list of 14 countries. So to import this data into our data frame objects, we can use Pandas read Excel built-in function, as we can see in the following examples. We will create a data frame object and pass the file location to the read Excel function. Just like other Pandas I/O functions, the read Excel also has a number of possible parameters. In these two examples, we make use of the sheet name parameter to identify the specific dataset we want. Notice the difference in the results. And similar to what we learned before, the read Excel function also has an optional index column parameter. Can you guys try to use it to assign one of the columns to be the data frame index?